How to see who viewed your Facebook story, not friends. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Here we go. So you have posted a Facebook story and some people who aren't your friends have viewed it, but you cannot find out who they are. Well, here's the deal. When you post a story on Facebook, you can see the number of people who viewed it, even if they are not your friends. According to Facebook support page, if your story is set to public, you will see the number of followers who viewed it, but not their specific names. That means Facebook won't spill the beans on who those mystery viewers are if they are not your friends. When you check who viewed your story, you will only see the name of people who are your friends. Anyone else will be lumped into the other viewers category. Now, if you're not cool with the setup, you can do an option. You can change your story privacy settings from public to visible to only friends. For that, head towards the home page. Now click on your story. Now click on three dots given at the top right corner. Click on the option of Edit Story Privacy. Then you can set it to friends. And there you have it. That's the lowdown on who can see your Facebook story if they are not your friends. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.